Program Coordinator for European Cultural Academy. ECA is a training center based in Venice, Amsterdam, and Barcelona that works on creative pedagogy by trainings that last 6 days for teachers and all educators from kindergarten to high school of all disciplines. We work with European Union and Erasmus Plus funding program for mobility for school educators and adults. What is that? That is a funding you can get by asking it to your national agency and come all expenses covered to one of these 3 cities, but also to the 3 cities by turn. All expenses covered, that means travel, accommodation, and course fee to come to us. At the end of the week, we deliver a certificate for attendance that you can certify, where you can certify that you came to the training and you can implement what you learned in your classroom. Creative pedagogy, what is it? It's a reflection through arts of how to teach and how to change your methodology of teaching and how to make your kids be more creative. In Venice, we focus on visual arts by visiting 2 permanent collections, mostly when Biennale is running, the biggest exhibition of contemporary art in the city. We also visit ancient art in the heart of Venice, and we work on a workshop. We make you do things, practical exercises to come back in your classroom and apply immediately. We are very happy to have a school last year who did a project on Biennale, a school from Ireland, and won the European Innovative Teaching Award. In Amsterdam, we focus on visual arts by visiting 2 museums at the start of the week, but also on improv theater. That is an introduction. We don't ask you to know anything about theater, of course, but we want you to integrate in your teaching improv theater techniques you will be taught. In Barcelona, the course is called Art School and the City and talks about architecture. You visit architectural spots and highlights of Barcelona, but also about outside sketching that we make you do, and techniques to teach about your city in the classroom and about creativity outside. So by visiting street art spots and a reflection with our facilitators on how to think about your city in the classroom. These trainings, as I said, are fully funded by Erasmus Plus, and they last from Monday morning to Saturday afternoon. We host more than 400 teachers every year in the 3 cities, and we are happy to host you by groups of 2 to 20 teachers for your school all over Europe. Thank you.